In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Sam's Club app. To get started, the first thing you need to do is download the Sam's Club app from either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once it finishes installing, open the app so you can begin setup. If you already shop with Sam's Club online, you can use the same login details in the app. If you're new, go ahead and create an account, and if you already have a membership, make sure to link it during setup so you can access all of your member features. After signing in, take a moment to explore the home screen. This is where you'll usually find featured deals, promotions, and instant savings. You can also use the search bar to quickly look up products instead of browsing manually. Another useful feature right from the home screen is your digital membership card, which makes it easy to access your membership without needing a physical card. When you're ready to shop, you can either search for specific items or browse through categories to see what's available. As you find products you want, add them to your cart. Depending on the item and your location, you may be able to choose delivery, shipping, or club pickup. This gives you a lot of flexibility, especially if you want to plan ahead before heading to the store. If you're shopping inside a Sam's Club warehouse, one of the most helpful tools in the app is Scan and Go. Open that feature in the app, then scan the barcode of each item as you place it in your cart. After you've scanned everything, review the cart carefully to make sure all items and quantities are correct. Then pay directly in the app. When you're done and ready to leave, the app will generate a digital exit QR code that you can show on your way out. The app is also useful for managing your account. In the account section, you can view your digital membership card, update or manage your payment methods, track current orders, and look back at previous receipts. You can also update your profile and membership information there, which is helpful if any of your account details change. Finally, the app includes several extra features that may be available depending on your membership and location. These can include ordering curbside pickup, purchasing fuel through the app, ordering from the cafe, refilling prescriptions, managing a Sam's Club credit card, and creating shopping lists for future trips. Once you get familiar with these tools, the Sam's Club app can make shopping faster, easier, and much more convenient, whether you're at home or already in the club.